Hi guys, this is day 18 and we are going to solve longest substring without repeating characters question. So we are given a string s as an input and we have to return the length of the longest substring which doesn't have any duplicates or repeating characters. So if we see here ABC is not repeating, so this is the answer, or BCA or CAB, all of them have the length 3, so answer will be 3. And if you see here AABBCAD, here BCAD is not repeating. So this is the longest string without any repeating character, so answer will be 4. So how do we solve this? So logic is simple. The keywords are array, substring and longest. So it is a sliding window and we have it, they didn't give the window size, so it is a variable window. So we start with high and low both equal to 0, and next we build a hash map, and in the hash map we compare the size of the hash map with the length of the window. So if the length of the window, that is this, is equal to the map size, then that means we don't have any duplicate characters and we return the length. But if the hash map size is less than the length of window, that means if we consider b also in the window, then the hash map size will be smaller, that will be 4, but length will be 5. So 4 is less than 5, then we shrink the window size, that is we do low plus plus. So if we check the code here, we first initialize a hash map mp, and then we initialize result and low and high equal to 0 to s dot size. Suppose we have this example abcab, so initially low will be here and high will be here, both at 0. Now the first step, we include it in the hash map. So mp of s of high plus plus, so s of high will be a and size of a will be 1. Now we calculate the length is just 1, so initially the length is 1, and then we we check the condition, is there any duplicates, that is if mp dot size is less than length, no, so we just return it in this condition, that is if mp dot size equal to length, then we store it in the result. So here result will be just 1. Now in the second iteration high will be moved here, this, so high will be in the b, and we check, we update the hash map, so b will be 1, and again length will be 2. Now again mp dot size is 2, 2 is not less than 2, so we just update the result will be 2. Now again high will be shifted, so now again update the hash map c1, again the length will be 3, so result will be 3. Again we update the hash map, wait, first we increase the h, and then we update. Now a will be 2, so if we check here mp dot size will be 3 because only 3 unique elements, but length is 4. Since we do a length here, now length mp dot size 3 is less than 4, so we shrink the windows. So mp of s of low minus minus, that means we first decrease the a a will be 1 now, and we do low plus plus, so we move from here to here. Now again we update the length will be 3, and so again result will be 3. Now in the next iteration h will be here, again we update the hash map, so it will be b becomes 2, and again check the length, length will be again 4, so 3 is less than 4, so we reduce the hash map, we reduce the b, so b will be 1, and next we do low plus plus, so we remove this and low will be here. Again we update the length will be I minus low plus 1, so this is just 3, and in the next iteration this will be satisfied, so result equal to 3, and at the end we high gets out of the array and we come out of the loop. Now if the string is empty, then we the result doesn't get updated anytime, so it will just remain in int min, so we return 0, or else we return the result. So that's it. Thank you.